Hi, today we will discuss how can I start a e-commerce business. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. So first of all, before starting, you need to follow some steps. These steps are very important before starting. First of all, the main part is product research. You need a good innovative product to sell online because all the products are available on Amazon and eBay in a very cheap price. People can easily buy your product. If you can't find a unique product, your product must be little bit innovative in a way that something like handmade cases are handmade because if it is innovative you can easily sell the product. You can spend a good amount of time on this part because this part is the most important part. If you find a winning product, you will be in the game. If you work on the wrong product, then it is very difficult for you. The next part is the logistics. You need a good fast shipping for your products, for good customer support, and you need a tracking code of all the orders so that your customer can easily track their product. The third part is the inventory. If you are selling your own made product and or you are making from other supplier, then you can need a good amount of inventory on your place. Or if you starting with drop shipping, then this is a very easy process. The supplier directly send the products to the customer. I will recommend if you are low budget, then you must do the drop shipping first because in inventory you need a good amount to start your business. In drop shipping you don't need any inventory. You don't have to spend a lot of money. As a beginner, I will recommend you must start with drop shipping. The fourth part is the website or apps. You need a website to sell your product. I will recommend Shopify for this because it is very easy to use. Or if you are making some apps to sell, then you can do it both in Android or Apple Store. Next part is payment gateway. You must need a business payment gateway to cut your client payment. I will recommend you to the PayPal business account and the credit card because so that your customer all around the world can easily buy their products. This is the most important part of it is the marketing plan. You must have a good marketing plan to sell your products. You can sell on Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook ads. So you have to marketing plan and marketing budget must be good to promote your product and get the customer to your site. The last part is the customer support. You must have a good customer support at start. You can start slow, but customer support is an important part of it. If you have any query, please comment below and please subscribe to my channel.